let's open a garage using flipperzero. Alright guys, as you just seen, I opened the garage with my flipperzero here. I'll show you kind of the steps to go through that to catch either some of this garage code or use it from like a key remote if you're trying to do your own garage. So just so you guys know, hacking is illegal. Anything you're testing on, make sure you own the equipment. Like, you know, on the flipperzero, this is going to be at my house that I'm testing the garage out for you guys to show you how to do that. But with that, I'll show you how to get the program in here, catch the frequency, and then you end up with the result that you just seen of being able to use your flipperzero to open garage doors. So here we go. So I'm going to be showing you guys how to get into the RFID menu stuff here. I have QFlipper pulled up on my desktop just to make it easier to record so you guys can see the screen, what's going on. So once you have your flipperzero turned on, you're usually going to be met with this like sleeping screen. I'm just going to hit the center button here. You're going to see sub gigahertz. This is what you're going to use to capture frequencies for like garage doors, key fobs, anything like along those lines. If you're doing like RFID cards, you're going to use this 125 gigahertz RFID. So we'll do that maybe in another video. I'll show you guys how to do that as well. So on the sub gigahertz, we'll hit this center key again. It's going to pull up read raw, saved, add manually, so forth, so on. So when you're checking for frequencies to kind of see what it's running on, you can run frequency analyzer. It's going to just sit here and wait to catch a frequency. I don't have anything in here to send across it right now, but it'll light up and tell you the frequency. Once you have that, we're going to go back out. Then we're going to go up to read. We're going to hit the center button again on your flipper. It's going to start scanning. So if you'll notice here, it's scanning 433.92. So I noticed with the garage door opener stuff I want to show you guys later, like you've seen in the beginning of this video, 433.92 is not the frequency for the garage door opener here. I think this is in Europe, in European countries. I think they run 433.92. The garage door opener here that we captured is with 318. So to change this, you're going to hit the left arrow for config. You're going to see it's 433.92. You're just going to hit this left arrow to back down till we get to 318. Oh, too far. And then once you do that, you're just going to hit this return key. You're going to notice it's scanning on 318. So while this is scanning, this is when you're waiting on somebody to hit their garage door opener or close it, whatever it may be, inside their vehicle or the little key fob itself. I've already done this. I have it captured already. So I'll put a video in here that I've done from the vehicle too. It shows you capturing that and how it comes up and how to save it and the steps through that. Once you have it saved, you just hit saved. Or go through the arrow here, hit saved. So I have one labeled garage. This ancient crack is one I done in video with my phone for you guys to see. Like I said, it'll be toward the end of this little segment so you guys can watch how that's done. But you want to select whatever you saved it as. You're going to hit this enter key. And then you're going to hit emulate. Once this is ready to emulate, you would just hit the middle button here to hit send. I'm not going to do this right now because it would actually open my garage. So, but you'll see that in, like I said, this video. That's to follow this right here. So, other than that, guys, that's all you need to get set up and get running. Just continue watching the video here and you'll see the steps going through actually capturing the frequency and opening the garage with it. Let's see if I can set this where you guys can see. Okay. I'm going to push this garage button here. You can see my finger. Okay. Then you hear that it just caught the frequency there. So once that's done, we're going to hit this back arrow. Go back. I don't want to exit, so I'm going to stay. Hit the center button on that. I want to save this, which is the right arrow. Then you can name it whatever. I'm just going to leave it there. It says ancient crack just to save this. Okay. Now, guys, you can see the garage is open. Now, I want to use this code to close the garage. So I'm going to go back. I'm going to do exit. Then we're going to do saved, which is agent crack, which is what we just done. So we're going to select it. You're going to hit emulate, and you're going to see it says send here. So you're going to hit this middle button to send it. So when we do this, I want you to watch the garage door, and I press it, so it's going to close. Okay. All right, that's it, guys. You successfully have your flippers set to close and open your garage doors, and this will work on several garage doors. Like, I think the range of this is 50 meters, so it's possible to catch several of these frequencies, like in a neighborhood, residential area, something like that. Like I said, hacking is illegal. You only do this on equipment that you own. I'm not liable for any damages or criminal charges that you may face for this. This is just for education purposes only. So thank you guys for watching.